How to change the time format in CMF Watch Pro from 24 to 12. Now go to the CMF Watch app. Now tap the profile and click the settings button in the top right corner. See, it's not working after turning it on. Let's see how to fix it. Then click on Update Device. See, now updating, please wait a little while. Now turn on your smartwatch. Now tap the profile and click the settings button in the top right corner. Now turn off it. Now see, the time format has been changed. You can also change the time format of CMF Watch Pro in this way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.